Microsoft teases a Windows 11 design that looks like Windows 7's Aero. Microsoft abandoned support for rounded corners and Aero Glass with the release of Windows 8 and its successor Windows 10 in favor of a more flat and neutral UI. Windows 11 has already restored rounded corner support, and it appears that the next big update will include a new design feature that will be akin to the Aero effect from Windows 7. Transparent title bars for old Windows apps will return, signaling a shift in the Windows operating system's look. Microsoft plans to add a new transparency effect to top-level Windows and app pop-ups, which might be acrylic or a new material. Mica, a new form of transparency effect, implementation is now left up to developers, so we only have the Mica effect in a few apps and the rest of the app windows have a simple look. According to a screenshot of Windows Run mistakenly leaked during the January webcast of the Windows Developer Program and seen by us, Windows Aero used throughout the Windows 7 and Windows Vista eras. For the uninitiated, the Aero Glass theme in Windows 7 or Vista gives the app's title bar, the menu that includes buttons like Minimize, Maximize, and Close, a smooth, transparent appearance. The implementation of Windows Vista looked nice and was current, but it used more resources than a basic design. The app title bars in Windows 11 version 22H2, also known as Sun Valley 2, may be able to recreate this look. On the other hand, acrylic is a fancy and more resources-intensive Windows Aero-like effect which reveals the desktop wallpaper and other windows that are behind the active app. The Mica effect is now available in essential Windows 11 programs such as Photos and Microsoft Edge, and Microsoft plans to expand it in the coming weeks.